COVID, why are so many people getting it again? By Robert Kraft. Part of it all is Omicron itself, a variant that Peter snacking us defensible on all infection. Part of it a number again. So many of us have already a bad infection at some point that a rising proportion of new infections are a second part. But getting COVID twins in a short span of time is still pretty unlikely even with the last variant of Omicron, which is widespread in the oak, and for most people a second infection is less likely to make them very ill. COVID symptoms is running on all COVID. How to relax after yourself if you get COVID? How likely are you to get COVID? Twins eventually pretty likely. Immunity, fits, and coronavirus evolve. Most people can expect to catch the older coronavirus such as those which cause common cold system many times in their life. But early in the pandemic, that then seems to be the cause. Before that, one of all case records in the act before November were labeled as reinfection. The Omicron. Both the Omicron to offer this look very different to the version of coronavirus. Coronavirus that we saw before. Its difference give it a better chance of snaking past the body early defense where this one exposed to previous COVID infection, and so the rates of reinfection have been above time hikes this year. Compliance with recent early in the pandemics. How many people have been infected more than one with COVID? How many? How many cases are there in your area? How is new version of Omicron different? Yes, new spring Omicron. Now, SBR2 has driven infection back up to record level. To the Office for National Statistics said that about 1 in people across the had COVID in the week ending April. It's similar to, but even more infectious than The version that Omicron, Christmas Omicron, BO1. If you If you had COVID in the past few months, it's likely to have been a version of Omicron, which in truth should give you good protection against a second bout of it. The data we have so far suggests that second Omicron infection is rare but can occur. More reinfections have been seen among younger people and those who have been vaccinated. Laboratory studies suggest that combination of Omicron infection and vaccination or left your body even better prepared to fight off a new infection. That one infection alone about million people have had a COVID booster dose since the start of the year, with another 2 million getting their second dose, and tens of millions of us have protection from recent infection. About one in of us caught COVID during the first Omicron wave. But even in there, only a small chance on any person getting Omicron a second time. You're quite likely to heard about it happening. It's a small chance multiplied by the tens of millions of people who have recently had COVID. Will it make me sicker? So far, it's a lot like a case of B or 2 is no more likely to put you in hospital than is case of B or 1 E was. And even in you do test positive again, that is not the same as being sick with COVID-20. According immunologist Prof. Eleanor Rayleigh, it means there is virus in your nose and throat. The protection profit by vaccination of or having had a previous infection is more useful at preventing the virus from getting into your body and doing serious damage. That is not keeping the virus out of your nose and throat. Prof. Rayleigh thinks if you test positive again, what will be your main contact? Should be whether you mix pass in one to someone who is particularly vulnerable An infection can still land. Some people in hospital, particularly those with weak an immune system, or underlying health condition. But despite the record number of COVID infection, the third wave is getting weaker in hospital than we saw in January. So be the red are in the chart above precisely because so many of us now have combination of protection from vaccination and previous infection. During January, peak birth of people in COVID bed in English hospital were being treated mainly for their COVID. The most recent figure for April cited figure is down below. And the total number of people in hospital with COVID are roughly half of the of what we saw in January. The government hopes the spring booster vaccine rollout will help top up immunity for the most vulnerable and makes it even harder for Omicron to cause serious illness, whether it triggers or of twins. Thanks. Next time, dah.